So our customer came to us with these 84 Bronco door panels. He actually sent us his original door panels. And what we did was we vacuum formed a skin of vinyl over the original panel. And he had the reproductions of these. And one of his complaints was that the plastic was a lot flimsier than the original. So if you tap on one, then you tap on the other, you can kind of feel the quality difference in them. So when you have them mounted in your car, he was saying in his truck, he was saying that you'd hear a lot of rattling. He wasn't terribly pleased with the color. The color didn't match, so we matched the color for him as well. There was a lot of custom work that went into this. And one of the things that we also noticed on the originals versus the reproductions was the difference in mounting points. And that'll definitely have an impact on how these fit to the vehicle. So you can see that there's actual mounting points on these versus mounting clips. And how these mounting clips are somewhat functional, but they don't necessarily do the job, especially if you're going over bumps or, the truck has a lot of power behind it. You feel that rattling throughout the truck. So really in these situations with hard plastic panels, they might look really similar, but the quality of the material that is being used to make them really pales in comparison to what was used by a Ford back in the day. And this goes for a lot of hard plastic panels. They look similar, but really when you start using them and they're functionally in the truck or in your car, it can look a lot different. So specifically with these door panels that we did, we redid the armrest, polished up all the chrome, did custom color matching, put new weather stripping on there, and made it brand new again. And this, we'll throw up some before photos, had all that standard plastic degradation to it. You can't paint over that stuff. It just comes out looking all crusty as if you try painting over hard plastic. So that's why we use our thermal vacuum forming. We smooth out that hard plastic and we vacuum form a skin of vinyl around it. Doesn't add any density to it, but it looks and feels like hard plastic when it's all done. So came out pretty nice.